here. So let's say we're going to do that. We're going to cut. I'm just going to do it a bit randomly. I'm going to cut at this point. Got two cuts. The diagonal cut is for sound, so for mag sound, which we're not using for this project at all. So we're going to use the straight cut. We're going to cut on the line, and what that's doing is it should be cutting perfectly in the middle of the black line that goes between frames. So when you get that, if we put this on a light box and we looked at those, the top and bottom of that, we should have a very small bit, thin line of black at the top of that frame and a thin line of black at the bottom of that frame. And it should be completely level, so it should be completely flat. So normally what I do is when you book that out, you should just get a bit of dummy film, splice, have a look at it on Lightbox, and if it needs to be adjusted, then it can easily be adjusted in the office to just move that so it's absolutely straight. Because splicing is, you want to get it as clean and as sharp and as nice and as clean as possible. It's going to make it much easier for the people who are going to do the scan eventually. So we've just cut that. I'm just going to put it back together again. So I'm going to rejoin it. To rejoin, we're just going to put that into the center. That into the center. Then we're going to pull this splicing tape. So this is special tape, not normal sellotape. Special tape that is made for this splicer, and what it will do is it won't leave a residue and it won't leave any sticky mark, but it's very strong, so it keeps that together. But in 2 days time I can take it apart and it's not leaving any mark. Also in 5 years time I can take it apart, in 10 years time I can take it apart, hasn't left any residue at that point. So that's a single splice, and that's spliced just on one side, and that's rejoined.
When you put the film through